So today I'm going to show you how to order your free debit card on your Crew account. So we're actually here on the app in real time. On the bottom left hand side where it says banking, it has that little dollar sign. That's how you know we're on the home page. Now from here, depending on what you have on the very front, all you got to do is scroll down just a little bit where you're going to see where it says debit card, and it has a cute little dog here for us. And we're going to click on order physical card. Now from here, it will have your name just to make sure that it is you that we're having the card ordered for. And then go ahead and you can choose whichever color floats your boat. So for our example here today, we're going to go with green for our True Financials channel here, and we're going to click on continue here at the bottom. Now from here, just double check that your mailing address is correct. If you do for any reason need to change that, make sure you contact support before placing your order. But if everything here looks good, just go ahead and click on submit order at the very bottom. And just like that, you can see here at the very top that our card order has been submitted. Now I have more to show you when it comes to using your Crew account, and we're going to post our next video right over here on screen so you can keep on learning.